To import or export contacts on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the Contacts application. From here you will have to press 3 dots on the top right corner and go into the settings. And right here you can find Import Export Contacts. Let's go in there, and here you have two options: to import contacts and to export. So to import from storage, let's select this one, select the account from here, the local one, and here you import from storage using this file. And I will just show you right now in a moment how to create such a file simply by exporting to storage. Also, you can import from SIM card. In case you have second SIM card, you will be able to import from SIM card 2, for example. And right here, let's select local, and from here you select contacts from your SIM card to import. And right here to export to storage, as you tap on this one, and here you have this, you are being asked to export contacts, and there is this path where the file will be created and which file, and as you press OK, the file with all of these contacts from your contact list will be created. Also, you can export to SIM card. As you tap on this one, this will actually, from here you will select all of these contacts you want to export from your SIM card, as you can see. I mean, to SIM card actually. And yeah, that's basically how you can do this.